Welcome to Daybreak Warrior's Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo Word of the Day is going to be Nits'áá, Nits'áá, which means from him, or it also means from her or from it. Nits'áá, Nits'áá. Now for this word, we're going to be using it in addition to the words that we've already learned before in previous examples. We're going to be using it with the word áshłééh, which means to make. Now to use the word Nits'áá, you can use it to describe I'm borrowing this, I'm using that, and again it's all in present tense. Later lessons will show you how to use it in past tense or future tense, but for now we're all going to keep it in present tense until you get used to the words Nits'áá and áshłééh. And again, for these examples, keep in mind the basic sentence structure that I told you: object first, action in the middle, and the verb at the end. It's all going to be the same way as before. And that's basically how you make simple sentences in the Navajo language. So for the first example, to say something like, I'm borrowing his or her car, you can say, Bicar Nits'áá use áshłééh. Bicar Nits'áá use áshłééh. And if you know the word for car in Navajo, which is Bichidí, you can stick it in. Bichidí Nits'áá use áshłééh, which means I'm borrowing his or her car. Again, car being the object, use being the action, and áshłééh being the verb at the end. Bicar Nits'áá use áshłééh, or Bichidí Nits'áá use áshłééh. You can even say it like, I'm copying his or her notes. If you're a student, you probably say that a lot. So you can say, Binotes Nits'áá copy áshłééh. Binotes Nits'áá copy áshłééh, which means I'm borrowing his or her notes. Again, the notes being the object, copy being the action, and áshłééh being the verb. Binotes Nits'áá copy áshłééh. Now, in this one, for Nits'áá means him, her, or it. You can switch it around to say from you, which is Nits'áá, Nits'áá. And to use that, you can say something like, can I borrow your pen? You would say, Nipen Nits'áá use áshłééh. Nipen Nits'áá use áshłééh. Ni meaning you, ni. Nipen Nits'áá use áshłééh. Nipen is your pen. And you probably heard a new word in this one, ya. The ya at the end basically means, are you okay with that? Are you alright with that? Is that fine with you? Yeah. Is that okay? Yeah. So when you say it like that, it's like saying, can I use your pen? Nipen Nits'áá use áshłééh. You can even say, can I borrow some money from you? Money Nits'áá money Nits'áá borrow áshłééh. Money Nits'áá borrow áshłééh. Can I borrow some money? Is that alright? This word, ya, can be used in a lot of different ways. Not only can it mean, is that okay with you, but it can also like clarify certain things like saying, it's 4:08, right? You can also say, it's 4:08, yeah. Or it's 12 o'clock, yeah. It's 12 o'clock, right? So using it, you can actually use it with English sentences that way to be like a clarification of some sort, like, you're going to the store, right? You're going to the store, yeah. Or you can say, you're out of gas, right? You're out of gas, yeah. When you use it in that kind of context, yeah means, is that right? It's like you're giving clarification for something. So that word, yeah, can be used in a lot of different ways as well. You can throw it at the end of your English sentences to make it more of a clarification, like, that's right, right? That's right, yeah. That's how you can use that kind of word. And you can also use it at the end of sentences like I just showed you to say, is that okay with you? Are you fine with that? The notes, Nits'áá copy áshłééh. Can I copy your notes? That's how you would use that word. So that's today's Navajo word of the day. Nits'áá from you, or Nits'áá from him, from her, from it. Nits'áá. Have a nice day.